Why is flooding such a big issue for us here in Brisbane? Well, in short, Brisbane is built on a floodplain. A floodplain being a low-lying area surrounding a river network. Now, I actually read recently that Brisbane's floodplain is the most impacted floodplain in all of Australia. So by impacted, what I mean there is it has the highest number of houses and therefore people living within the impact zone. As a result, flooding here in Brisbane is something we can never, ever escape. Like, it's a reality for us living here. The most we can hope for is not to avoid it in the future, but instead to build our resilience for the next time a flood hits.